I just spoke to the yard manager. Nobody is using this right here. There's no work order for it, so guess who got it? Yours truly. Here it is right here. It's gonna go right next to the my pump, right next to it, and I'm gonna do a video to show you that pump right now. But this is it right here, to where I'm taking it. There it is. That box is gonna go right there. We're taking this off, and I'm gonna replace that box right there. Here's one of the pieces that are gonna go on it, but I'll show you real quick. That's the box right there. And there it is. Show you more updates later. There you have it, people. There's some more welding work to it. I got very fortunate. I saw this toolbox and nobody has claimed it yet, but I don't even know why they purchased it. So they asked me if I wanted it, and I said, yep. So there you go. Their whole look on it.